The Galway City Business Association represents a number of businesses, be it in the retail, food and beverage and service industries.
Certainly for the heart of City Business Association, the GCBA, one of the main missions is to promote the culture and the uniqueness of Galway City, and part of that really is the use of the Irish language.
Well, Captain go talkta go GCBA go haspáint gúil Gailge bilingual agus gúil glór Gaeilge le clisians agus glór dína cairns Gaeilge sa bhaile agus tugann sin daoine iste.
A number of the GCBA members have had a great experience using the Irish language in their day-to-day business. The Gaillimh le Gaeilge have been of great assistance, helping them connect with the public.
We feel there are huge benefits to using the Irish language in business, and what we aim to do now is to lead by example and to show how simple it is to incorporate the Irish language into your business, your day-to-day activities, and then show our members the benefits of it, not just talk about it. So that's where we feel we can influence the businesses in Galway to the benefit of everyone.